Hey fellow riders, today I go over the must-buys with your BMW F850GS, starting right now on MotoTravelUSA. So if you're buying or thinking about buying a BMW F850GS, you're gonna need these items either in the garage or you're gonna have to purchase them. I'm gonna jump right into it. Now let's go. One of the main things you'll need is a good and diverse set of torque bits. You'll need these all over the bike to take off fairing and to do the oil change. If you only get one, make sure it's a T50 to help do an oil change. For the rear axle, you'll want a 34mm socket, and for the front, you'll want a 22mm hex bit. Or they have this one with multiple sizes, just make sure you get a 22 for that front axle. Since it's chain drive, you're gonna need chain cleaner and chain lube. Really doesn't matter brand. I like Honda, but you can get whatever. Just make sure you do it every 600 miles or so. And to help with that cleaning, make sure to get a chain clean brush. These are awesome, help speed up the process. They're only a few bucks on Amazon, which I'll have a link to all this stuff below. That first service comes quick, so make sure you get an oil filter wrench, and crush washers. BMWs have the small powerlet, so you'll need an adapter if you're gonna charge your phone or run a radar detector like I do with the traditional 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter. So one of these adapters. If you're gonna be doing a lot of maintenance yourself, you're gonna need one of these, an OBD2 scan tool. This will help you reset the maintenance minders on the motorcycle. Just make sure that it's compatible. This one is compatible with an app on Android phones or Windows, but there's other solutions as well. This one's one of the cheaper. And again, if you're gonna be doing the maintenance yourself, you'll have to get the repair manual on DVD only. And there you go. The must-buy items with your BMW F850GS. These items will help you, I guarantee it. Oil changes, resetting the maintenance minders, cleaning your chain, and repairing your bike. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos about the F850GS and motorcycling in general. Thanks for watching. Now let's go explore.